Hello everyone, with you today is Mariana from Egoista. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to do an easy marble design and how to work with cover gel. Egoista Builder Gel is a strong UV LED builder gel. Odorless, self-leveling, easy to use, and number one reason why thousands of nail technicians love it because it doesn't have a burning sensation. These are nice camouflage colors that cure perfectly in a lamp, all of them and much more, including crystal clear, you can find in our online store. I will attach the link down below for you, including also a discount coupon code what you can use on our online store. After I did the cuticle work, I buffed the nail plate and I apply an acid-free primer. After that, I am applying in a rubbing motion a thin layer of rubber base coat that has a higher layer of adhesion. The curing time for the base coat is only 30 seconds. After I have cured the base coat, I have placed the form and now I can start sculpting. Using cover gel, cream color, I'm extending the free edge. Then I cure for only 20 seconds. I pinch the nail that will make the nail stronger and will have more aesthetic look. Then I do a final cure for 1 minute. If you want to know more details about nail shaping, please join my online shaping course where I share all my secrets for 5 salon shapes. I remove the nail form and now I can start to build the nail structure. The gel is self-leveling that allowed me to make the product application with minimum top filing, what believe me is a lot of time saving. The curing time for this layer will be another 60 seconds and 48 watts UV LED lamp. Please note, the curing time may vary depending on the power of your nail lamp. After a full cure, I remove the sticky layer with alcohol and using the hand file 100 by 180 grid, I perfect the nail shape. To do this marble design, we'll need gel polishes. Let me show you what color I will use. Number 43, a darker turquoise. Number 66, the navy blue. Number 42, a pastel mint gel polish, must have it. Number 67, a light blue. Here are all the colors, what I will use in this design. Please let me know in a comment below what is your favorite. The most important product for easy marble design is Blossom Gel, which has the property of spreading. I'm applying a small amount to the nail palette, then I place on top all the mentioned before gel polishes. Using a liner brush, I mix them together. Please don't exaggerate here, otherwise the pattern may look too messy. Now I am applying a thin layer of Blossom Gel. I don't cure, and using a gel brush, I put on top the mix of gel polishes. To remove the extra product amount, I put closer to the free edge a nail wipe with alcohol. The alcohol will pull from the nail plate the extra product amount. When I'm satisfied with the results, I cure the design for 60 seconds. To make the design nicer, I'm using a little bit of nail foil, then I seal everything with Egoista No Wipe Super Shine Top Coat. The curing time here is 1 full minute. Please let me know, how do you like this nail art idea? And also, what other video tutorial do you want to see next? I can't wait to see your likes and read your comments down below. Bye bye and see you on another video.